Welcome to AI Daily Research, where we look beyond the hype and deliver the facts on the near-future breakthroughs that are already a reality. Forget the science fiction you think you know. We're counting down 20 inventions set to utterly transform life by 2026. This isn't a fantasy, it's a fact-checked look at tomorrow's world. Starting with number 20, brain-to-device communication implants. The age of the human-computer interface is here. Companies like Neuralink have already implanted microchips in a collective of a dozen individuals, enabling them to control external devices, type emails, and navigate technology using only their thoughts. These patients have collectively logged over 15,000 hours of use, proving that direct neural control is no longer a prototype but a functional reality. Clinical trials are now expanding globally, pushing the boundary toward direct, thought-to-thought communication. The next 5 years will fundamentally redefine how we interact with technology and each other. Number 19. Quantum energy harvesters. One of the greatest challenges of the modern era is waste heat, the invisible energy loss from pipes, industrial engines, and data centers. Quantum energy harvesters offer a radical solution. Researchers, including those at the Riken Institute, are developing non-coplanar magnets that can convert low-grade heat, even below 100 degrees Celsius, directly into usable electricity with unprecedented efficiency. This technology promises to turn industrial pollution and latent heat into a new, massive power source, potentially powering millions of small devices and chipping away at our energy dependency. Number 18. Neural-enhanced learning glasses. Imagine eyewear that doesn't just improve your sight but enhances your brain. The latest in smart glasses integrates brain-computer interface technology to monitor your attention levels, focus, and cognitive fatigue in real time. Algorithms then analyze your brainwaves and adapt what you see, providing prompts or adjusting the complexity of content to optimize learning. Prototypes are showing faster learning and dramatically better retention rates under test conditions. These glasses could soon be standard tools in classrooms, corporate training, and personal development, essentially making your brain a measurable and improvable metric. Number 17. Zero-gravity manufacturing plants. The world is literally looking up for better manufacturing. Companies like Varda are launching orbital factories that exploit microgravity to create superior materials impossible to produce on Earth. This includes perfect, flawless crystal structures for pharmaceuticals and high-quality optical fibers. Varda has already successfully completed missions, proving the business case. By 2026, we should see the first space-made high-end commercial products enter the market, marking the dawn of the extraterrestrial economy. Number 16. Hyperloop passenger pods. A travel revolution is brewing in vacuum tubes. Hyperloop systems are already testing passenger pods at speeds exceeding 600 miles per hour inside near-vacuum environments. With hundreds of millions of dollars invested by the US, UAE, and European consortia, test tracks are active and validating the core technology. While the challenges of safety and cost are monumental, aggressive development targets suggest that short-distance commuter routes could begin operation as early as 2026. Turning hour-long commutes into minute-long sprints. Number 15. Space-to-Earth solar power stations. The ultimate renewable energy dream. Solar power collected in space, beamed to any point on Earth 24/7. Space agencies in China, India, and Europe are investing heavily, with demo satellites planned for launch. Orbital solar arrays receive up to 5 times more sunlight than ground panels, offering constant, clean power regardless of weather or time of day. While full-scale deployment is years away, the launch of key test units by 2026 will prove the viability of power transmission via microwave or laser. Number 14. 3D printed organs. The organ transplant waiting list may soon become obsolete. Bioprinters are advancing rapidly, creating complex organ scaffolds, microvascular networks, and even functional mini-livers that have survived for weeks in labs. While printing a full, complex human heart is a long-term goal, simpler tissues like skin and cartilage are already in human clinical trials. This breakthrough holds the potential to personalize medicine, eliminating organ rejection by creating replacement organs from a patient's own cells. Number 13. Self-repairing smart infrastructure. Bridges, roads, and buildings are getting smarter. Engineers are developing materials, particularly concrete, that can automatically detect cracks and damage. This self-healing concrete is mixed with tiny polymer or bacteria capsules that burst upon crack formation, releasing a repair agent that hardens to fill the fissure. Testing, particularly in Asia, has shown that this material can slash maintenance costs by nearly 50%, promising an era of longer-lasting, more resilient infrastructure. Number 12. Solar roadways. The road beneath your tires could become a power plant. Pilot projects in France, China, and the US are testing durable, drivable solar panels integrated into road surfaces. Early challenges with durability and efficiency are being overcome by newer designs. Imagine an infrastructure that not only transports people but also generates energy. Just 1 kilometer of solar roadway can power over 100 streetlights. While nationwide highways are not yet feasible, expect to see small segments and bike paths in smart cities generating power by 2026. Number 11. Swarm robotics in agriculture. The future of farming is small, precise, and autonomous. Fleets of tiny coordinated robots, swarm robotics, are replacing massive, inefficient machinery. These robots specialize in precision tasks like planting, targeted weeding, and selective harvesting. European trials have already shown that targeted herbicide application by these robotic swarms can reduce overall pesticide use by up to 40%. As labor shortages intensify, farms will increasingly rely on these autonomous systems to boost crop yields while drastically cutting down on waste and environmental impact. That's the first half of the innovations set to reshape our world by 2026. From autonomous construction to AI-powered legal assistance and personalized health tech, the next 10 items are even more disruptive. Don't miss part 2 coming up next, where we dive into the inventions that will change your body, your career, and your daily life. Number 10. Autonomous construction robots. The construction industry is about to be dominated by pink robots. Autonomous cranes, bricklaying bots, and concrete finishers are moving out of the laboratory and onto real-world job sites. In places like Dubai, a 2-story office building was 3D printed by a robotic arm in just 17 days. Companies testing this technology project. A 30% reduction in labor needs, addressing the global housing shortage and labor crisis simultaneously. Expect to see these tireless robots building our cities faster and cheaper than ever before by 2026. Number 9. Augmented reality. Surgical assistance. Surgical procedures are becoming sci-fi safe. Surgeons are now using advanced augmented reality headsets, like Microsoft's HoloLens, to gain X-ray vision during operations. These headsets overlay real-time patient scans, including blood vessels and tumor locations, directly onto the surgeon's view. Trials consistently show this guidance shortens complex procedures by up to 15% and dramatically lowers the risk of critical errors. AR is rapidly becoming a standard tool in operating rooms for precision procedures like neurosurgery and orthopedics. Number 8. Portable water harvesters. The global water crisis is meeting its match in thin air. Solar-powered atmospheric water generators are already operating in over 50 countries, pulling clean, potable water straight from the humidity in the air. These portable devices can produce up to 10 liters of pure drinking water per day, making them a life-saving resource in disaster zones and arid regions. As the cost of bottled water and the severity of droughts rise, expect to see these water harvesters widely adopted by communities and relief organizations by 2026. Number 7. Wearable environmental hazard sensors. Your next wearable won't just track your steps, it will track your world. Researchers are developing ultra-sensitive, flexible skin patches that track environmental hazards in real time. These patches monitor everything from fine particle pollution and allergens to radiation, detecting certain volatile compounds at parts per billion levels. Coupled with smartphone apps that provide real-time air quality maps, these devices can offer critical warnings for people with respiratory issues. Expect insurers and workplaces to heavily invest in testing these comprehensive environmental sensors across their operations by 2026. Number 6. AI-powered legal assistance. Artificial intelligence is rapidly disrupting the legal world, traditionally slow to change. AI legal agents are now capable of reviewing thousands of documents, drafting complex contracts, analyzing case law precedent, and spotting compliance risks in a fraction of the time a human can. Pilot programs have demonstrated that these tools can cut legal document review time by as much as 60%. This massive gain in efficiency is set to make high-quality legal support, from corporate risk assessment to small claims guidance, significantly more affordable and accessible to the average person by 2026. Number 5. AI-powered personalized mental health assistance. Access to mental health support is becoming 24/7 and highly personalized. AI-powered chatbots and virtual companions are being trained on vast data sets of biometric and behavioral signals to provide customized therapeutic emotional support. Early clinical studies show that when used alongside traditional therapy, these tools can reduce anxiety symptoms by 15 to 20% in just 1 month. Expect a surge of new apps offering these AI companions as powerful, affordable supplements to human therapy, helping to bridge the global mental health treatment gap. Number 4. Personalized nutrition via AI and gut microbiome. The one-size-fits-all diet is dead. The next frontier in wellness involves sequencing your gut microbiome and combining that data with AI analysis to create a diet plan unique to your body. Studies including a major UK trial have demonstrated that this level of personalization can improve gut bacterial diversity by over 30% in just 8 weeks, leading to measurable gains in digestion, energy, and overall health. With at-home testing becoming easier and AI platforms becoming smarter, expect personalized nutrition to explode into the mainstream wellness market by 2026. Number 3. AI-created customized cosmetics and skincare. The beauty industry is going fully bespoke. Major brands are rolling out AI-driven platforms that scan your skin, analyze photos, and even cross-reference your genetics and local environmental data to formulate custom skincare and cosmetic products. Robotic kiosks in retail spaces can dispense a perfectly blended serum or foundation based on your unique profile. This transition is moving the industry away from mass production toward fully individualized routines, with the personalized skincare market projected to exceed $45 billion by 2027. Number 2. Edible packaging. Plastic waste is about to meet a delicious solution. Edible wrappers and films made from seaweed, milk proteins, and natural starches are being deployed in pilot cafes, sports events, and food chains. Not only are they fully biodegradable, but controlled trials show they can cut single-use plastic waste by up to 90%. Expect to see these revolutionary food-safe films replacing everything from coffee pods and seasoning packets to fast food wrappers in your everyday life by 2026, marking a major turning point in the fight against plastic pollution. Number 1. EduBlocks education. Currency. Education is getting a blockchain upgrade. The concept of EduBlocks involves earning digital educational tokens for every completed lesson or skill acquired online. Students can then trade these verified credits for course access, tutoring hours, or even workplace recognition. Advocates believe this model incentivizes lifelong learning and creates a quantifiable, measurable economic value for educational achievement. Early adoption in universities suggests that this kind of decentralized education currency could see a global expansion by 2026, fundamentally redefining how we track and value knowledge acquisition in the digital age. These 20 innovations prove that the future is not on the horizon. It is being built right now. Which one of these breakthroughs do you think will impact your life first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Daily Research for more fact-checked innovations that are shaping our world.